All right, it was 2 plates. It's got marker on it. I can buff that off. Have to shine them plates up. I'm gonna cut these. That's what the marks are. I'm gonna cut. It'll rotate. I'll kind of see if I can get a picture here where it's. See, it rotates. But anyway, what I plan on doing is both sides will be smoothed down, circular. They'll be shined up, slicked up, and then I could actually put a handle, different handles on it, where it'll rotate. The pipe itself it'll have jaws right here coming out where it'll hold the pipe to rotate. In the back of it will have a pipe, which I'll demonstrate right quick. So like this right here. So they'll be different size pipes. Where it'll have jaws on it, vice jaws, where it'll hold it right there and rotate that pipe. Okay. It'll be different size pipe. You do small ones, or you have like we can reverse the jaws and it'll hold a pipe way out here. The back part will have tubing that will lock onto a work table, etc. Some kind of counterweight.